What's up, YouTube? Got some new items in for the Beamer. Got this quick action gas cap. And we have these tank grips. Alright, so I'll unbox this real quick. I also ordered something special with this gas cap. Slide this out here, like so. And also with this, I ordered these. These are for pro tie bolts for the outside the gas cap for these bolts here. Blue, red and blue thing, go along with the bike. And here's the directions for it. So we'll unbox the directions and get to it. Okay, guys, as you see, it's literally only 3 steps. You remove the 4 bolts. Keep that there. The gasket, and put on new flange, and then screw it in. It should be on. Yep, that's it. 3 steps. I noticed with this bike, since the tank is the gloss paint, it's a little bit more slippery than the matte paint on the Street Fighter. I guess this is for the tank. Don't worry, it's not pink. You take off the pink covering. Now we're going to install it. This is the right side and left side, right here. Comes with directions also. So, get both of those items installed. As you see here, I put some painter's tape in the gas tank to cover up so I don't lose any bolts or anything like that. I'm gonna unbolt these. These are T25. These bolts in here are T25. And then we'll remove this cap, and then when I come back, it'll be installed. Let's go. Leaving these 4 open. These 1, 2, 3, 4 are open. These 2 stay in, obviously, because you need to keep this rubber gasket in and keep the black gasket on. And it goes in the shape of that, so it doesn't fall out. So, I'm gonna grab the TWM gas cap. I was wondering why the pro tie bolts are so long, because it needs to fit all the way down in there. No gas, no nothing around there. It's nice and clean. So, okay. So we'll grab a pro tie bolt. There we go. Cut. Alright guys, you see it's installed. Like I said, these pro tie bolts are T20. And I just kind of torqued them down hand tight. Not too tight. Definitely don't want to strip them or break anything with the gas cap. So hopefully it's tight enough. And this is the whole point of it right here. You get to don't have to use the key anymore. I always thought that was the dumbest thing with this bike. Like, it has the push to start function, where, you know, push to start. With the key, I can just push the power. Keyless, basically keyless operation. But you have to use the key to get gas. So it's kind of it's counterproductive to me, I think. So hopefully I install this correctly. We're going to take the bike on a ride, and then make sure there's no gas spillaways anywhere. Now let's put these tank grips on. Here, I got one clear because I want to see the M's, and you know, I like the color of the tank and everything like that. So these are pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to install these, and I'm not going to show myself installing them. It's pretty simple. But I'm going to clean the bike up, get all these fingerprints off, because it actually just came back for the service. Stay tuned for that video when I ride the bike for the first time after first service and getting that limiter removed, the rev limiter, at the braking mouse. All right, so let's get these tank grips on, and we'll take this thing on a ride. Let's go.